Well, Pilates is interesting because we do a lot of repetition within it because it is a strength building class. So it's a low impact class. So we're not doing any like jumping or anything. And then it's all body weight and just lots of repetition because that's how you're going to break down the muscle and build it back up and get stronger. I try to make Pilates really accessible. I think that out of all workout formalities, it's probably one of the more accessibles. Point it forward and then flex it on back. As long as you're able to get on and off the mat, find that this class would be for you. I make a lot of adjustments and modifications. I try to make it easy for some people and then also hard enough for others. Lift to the fire hydrant. And then lift to a donkey kick.
I've done it for a while, so it still challenged me. And then yet someone who hadn't done it in the class whatever level we're at will benefit from it here.
Exhale, this is called a swan dive down. I just start off where we do a little bit of warm up in the beginning and get the body flowing, and then I kind of get into the core of it, which is a lot of core stuff. And then I do our stretching and then a slow mindfulness ending moment.
We all have weaknesses somewhere, and with Pilates, it addresses the whole body. We're lucky to have a class here at Lopez Fit now.
Yoga is so different than Pilates. We don't do like the repetition. You get your strength from holding postures. You just work your body in a different way. So let's start off by placing your right hand on our heart. My yoga class is focused on your breath and just like your breathing. And so at the beginning of the class, I do a mindfulness check-in moment where we just let the whole day just dissipate and you get to like come back to yourself because it's an entire hour where you get to spend just on yourself, which a lot of people don't get. I try to incorporate some like strength-based poses with some like flexibility poses and then some balance and fun things because balance is always a little difficult and brings a little bit of play into it.
I haven't taken yoga before. This is my first time being in the class and I feel so refreshed, renewed. It was a really good experience.
And I also think that yoga is for everybody. Just like the Pilates, I make all the variations and adjustments, and we have props here like blocks and bands to help people out.
It's a very good workout, but it's not pushing yourself too hard. That's one thing that I did enjoy, is that you were able to make changes throughout it to where your body felt comfortable. You didn't have to push too hard.
And then at the end, I just wind it down and I bring us back to our breath and our mindfulness moment again.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend the yoga class. I think that it was, again, so refreshing, renewing, and relaxing, which was nice. It was a nice break, and I feel good.